Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Laura Barron. I'm with All County Denver Metro and the team at All County Denver South Property Management. And I'm going to make today's video very short. I'm going to explain landlord agency and what it means to you as a landlord. So, landlord agency simply means that we work in your best interest as a property manager. We do not have equity in the property, we do not own the property, and we're not the tenant. So, what does that mean for you? It means that if you hire a property manager, you need to have a set of expectations, and that is to cooperate with your property manager in order to manage your tenant effectively. So in this world of property management, sometimes our expectations may not align with what the job as property manager actually is. So some suggestions: if you hire a property management company, do not be afraid to communicate. Send emails, call, ask questions, go through all of your management agreement packets, understand what your property management company is offering for you, read the contract thoroughly, make sure that all of your expectations, monthly accounting, routine maintenance, big ticket items like 24/7 emergency line issues, things like that, make sure that's outlined for you. Also take a look at what syndications they use, how they market the property. Take a look at what they do for accounting, how they pay owners. We personally use something called Rent Manager. It's terrific. For syndication, for marketing, we use the MLS. We also use something called Tenant Turner, and it's one of the best in the business, and we get a far reach in order to do internet marketing for your property. The other thing you want to do if you hire a property manager is make sure they do monthly accounting, year-end accounting. Also make sure that they have a 24/7 line that you've tested. So often property management companies say they have a 24/7 emergency line, but sometimes you call it and it doesn't go anywhere. So go ahead and test your emergency line contact for your property manager. And then finally, use your property manager as your agent. So your property manager is your ally. And the way that property management works is that you sign on a property manager who's a licensed agent, and that licensed agent should work in your best interest. Then you create a relationship where your tenant is your customer. So the worst thing you can do is triangulate your property manager with your tenant, because they will tell you what you want to hear in terms of telling you, oh, the property management company's not good, they don't return my phone calls, blah, blah, blah. Now give me some money off rent. So keep in mind your tenants are actually paying for a service from you. They're paying for your rental to live in it. So with your property manager, you both want to come into alignment with your expectations of your tenant. And you need to use that property manager as your agent, because really most property managers really care. It may look like they treat homes as numbers, but actually, in fact, we all want to do a good job, but we don't know if we're doing a good job if you don't tell us. So yeah, always communicate with your property management company. And a red flag to look for is if they call you, or if you call them rather, and they don't answer the phone, there's an issue there. So at All County Denver Metro, we make sure we always answer the phone. If you send us an email, we always return emails. So let us help you. My name is Laura Barron. I'm with All County Denver Metro and the team at All County Denver South. Hope you're having an excellent day.